Today's question comes from Cynthia in Denver, Colorado. Cynthia asks, how can I compare a renter's insurance policy? Commonly, we're asked to compare the price of a renter's insurance policy, which is very easy. Comparing the policies is much more complicated and where you really need an expert. But there are a few basic things you should know about how to compare a renter's insurance policy. And on this video, we'll discuss them. First thing to compare is the loss settlement, which refers to the rules written into the policy about how a claim is paid out. In this case, specifically regard to personal property coverage. There are two common kinds of loss settlement for you to look for when comparing renter's insurance. The first is known as actual cash value. That means your claim will be paid based on the actual cash value of the items suffering a loss at the time it occurred. Do you see a problem with actual cash value yet? Let's seek advice from the Oracle of Actual Cash Value, also known as Craigslist. On a random day in July, we found an ad for a 2-year-old couch for $100 or best offer. We then found the same couch at a major furniture store for $800. The actual cash value of your 2-year-old couch is $100 or even less. How would you replace your couch if it were lost in a fire? Would you shop on Craigslist? No. You'd want to get a new one. That is why you need replacement cost settlement. You get the cost to replace the item with a brand new one of like kind and quality, which is what you need if you want to rebuild your life at a reasonable pace after a tragedy. Another area to compare is the sublimits on the policy. A sublimit sets the maximum an insurance company would pay for a specific item. If you have items of significant value, such as jewelry or art, there may be a sublimit on that category of property. In that case, your renter's insurance expert should let you know that an endorsement is available to provide you complete coverage for the item, or offer you a separate policy just for that specific item. Ultimately, how you compare renter's insurance is best answered by a side-by-side comparison based on information directly from the carriers or your agent. Want to find out more about how to compare your policy? Stay tuned for more in our series of Insurance Answers for Renters, and feel free to submit your insurance question to Effective Coverage. Don't forget that you can get a renter's insurance policy at effectivecoverage.com or by giving us a call and speaking with one of our insurance experts. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.